2008 CRV K24. Guess what failed? Good old coolant bypass in the old transmission line. I just replaced this one. Coolant bypass is next. I wasn't able to find one in the USA. I had to order one from Japan, but that's where she commonly leaks. Thanks, Honda. But pulled the intake manifold. Look at this rusty crap. Oh yeah, we're capping that off. That's not staying like that. Who cares about coolant in the throttle body? But yeah, not too bad. Pretty easy. I thought I was gonna have to pull the battery tray, but I did not. So took a couple bolts out of it. But yeah, 176,000 miles CRV 2008, and she runs good, but not with this crap. That's even more worrying right there. But that looks like a vacuum line, so we'll see. Alright, we out of here.